Hello, 大家好. Let's read Celebrating St. Patrick's Day. Happy St. Patrick's Day. It is St. Patrick's Day. We celebrate Irish culture. This holiday is March 17th. We wear green. The color green makes us think of Ireland. There are green hills there. A shamrock is green. It is a symbol of St. Patrick's Day. We eat green food. We eat green cookies. Corned beef is Irish. We eat it. We eat cabbage too. Many cities have parades. We hear fun songs. Dancers perform Irish dances. They wear bright dresses. People in Chicago dye a river green. How do you celebrate St. Patrick's Day? St. Patrick's Day.
圣帕特里克节，圣帕特里克节，圣帕特里克节。
Celebrate. 庆祝，庆祝，庆祝。Culture. 文化，文化，文化。Wear green. 穿绿色，穿绿色，穿绿色。Holiday/holiday. 假日，假日，假日。Hill/hills. 山丘，山丘，山丘。Symbol/symbols. 象征，象征，象征。Shamrock. 三叶草，三叶草，三叶草。Cookies. 甜饼干，甜饼干，甜饼干。Corned beef. 咸牛肉，咸牛肉，咸牛肉。Cabbage. 转心菜，转心菜，转心菜。Parade. 游行，游行，游行。Perform. 表演，表演，表演。Dye. 染，染，染。